Hey, Dana here, and welcome to my blog. And this is YouTube's partner program suspension eve. If you have not reached your 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch minutes, you will be suspended from monetizing your videos. And there's still, all my monetization keys are still green, and I'm assuming at midnight tonight, which will become the 21st, it's also payday. Actually, today is payday. For the 20th is usually the payday, but it doesn't go into my account until the 21st for the monetization pay. So I was just looking through going back into Facebook, because I boosted 3 of my videos over the 30-day period. I can't figure out exactly how many subscribers I got out of those boosts, but I'll be able to tell you in a minute here how many people I reached. And right now, for my analytics, I have about 1,400 people view my videos a day. And with those 1,400 people, I'm getting about an average of 2 a day that subscribe to my channel. So over the month, that's close to 50,000 views and really close to 60 subscribers. So by boosting that, I figured I boosted about another 50,000. So that probably, with the average, because of my content, it all has to do with my content, as to how many people subscribe. So on my average day, it's 2 subscribers a day. Currently, as of 9:00 p.m., I am 86 subscribers short of my 1,000. So figure that into how long it's going to take me to get my 86. If it's at two people a day who subscribe, let's see, then that's gonna tell me how long it's going to take me to get my subscribers. Then I have to apply for monetization, and that's going to be approximately a month. So there's a month of income lost right there. And then I start making money again, but I don't get paid till the following month for that month that I made money. So right there, gonna make money that month, but you're not gonna get paid for it till the following month. So that's approximately 2 months before I'll see income again. Let's see what my last ad ended 8 hours ago. Excuse me. and I got 351 clicks on that, and it was supposed to take me in there and show me. And again, I figure somewhere around 50,000 that viewed my out of that last video I got 33 likes, 1 comment. Set that out for world. It didn't show me what I wanted to say. Oh, okay. That last one that went out, it reached 16,198 people. And I set that for worldwide. So, and that was a $10. That was a $10 boost. Last one reached 16,000 people. I had 351 clicks. I'm looking for Janet's payment history. Now your YouTube payments set up for your boosting is through PayPal. Let's see what I want to see. Let's see. Ads. See how we do. Ad preferences. It's not it. Still not what I wanted. Create group fundraisers, create ads, manage ads, setting, payment history. Manage ads. Okay. Active. Okay. Now I just got to figure out how many people I reached. According to this, I've spent $161. and I don't know if that was worth the. That's active. I need to see. So I spent $161 to date. Alright. So boosted. See how many people I actually reached. Oh man. Now when you're looking at this, like I said, I spent $161. I'm going to make $120 this month. So I spent $40 more than I'm going to make for AdSense. So $40 more. And did I reach my goal? No, I did not. Now, if I'd reached my goal with the $160, it would have been worth it. But it wasn't, so there was a loss there. I don't know. I'll have to find out. I'll have to look into it and find out exactly how many subscribers I actually made with that $161. Vice, not having boosted it, saved the $161 and just wrote out the 2 or 3 subscribers a month or a day to reach my goal. What are you doing to me?